Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and today I'm back with another commission, this time on an A3 size paper for once. This is commission number 5 for Alicia, and as she is a huge fan of Trunks and Gohan, this drawing will also include both. We will draw Gohan and Trunks Super Saiyan 4, and before starting the video make sure to watch the whole video. That way YouTube will recommend my videos more, which means I can reach a bigger audience and grow my channel more effectively. That would be a huge support, and also make sure to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. So as for the sketch, I started out with a rough shape for both, because that way I can sketch out these characters way easier. I will draw both in a battle stance. Gohan will be angrier and ready to attack, but Trunks will be a bit more relaxed and confident. Alicia also wanted both characters from the Dragon Ball GT universe, so I will draw them that way. As this is a commission, I am drawing these pictures based on the wishes of the clients, but most of the time they pretty much let me do what I want. Usually my clients have their small wishes and specific ideas, but all in all, they let me use my own fantasy and creativity. They trust in my abilities, and I think that's also the reason I get commissions in the first place, because people like my style of drawing. I also get lots of messages about how to even get a commission as an artist, and I don't really have an answer to that, but if I had to answer this question with one line, it would be find your own style. That could be just a small difference from the show, just so people can see that you drew this. They just have to recognize your art style, even if it's something very small, as I just said. An artist has to be unique in his own way. Alright guys, the sketching is done. I think both look very nice. I love the poses, and now we will ink this. I am letting the video play very fast, as this is not a tutorial, but for that case I got a second channel, and over there you can find all of these drawings uncut and in real time. Literally, these videos are up to 12 hours long, so you guys can follow my steps in real time. I'm sure that's very helpful for you, so subscribe to my second channel as well. So now I'm erasing all the sketching lines so I have a nice and clean sheet. And then I'm going over all the lines one more time. Right now I'm making all the lines thicker, adding details to the drawing such as cracks to the destroyed buildings in the background, but also to the characters, like the hairlines, making the fur more detailed, and overall just improving the line art. I can't draw without this second layer of ink, it's impossible to me. Alright guys, now the line art is complete, the drawing looks amazing already, I love it, and now we will color this. I'm using ATEX, Ohuhu and Copic markers as always, and these are the color tones I'm using for Gohan. I'm always choosing the right color tones for each character before starting the coloring. This always takes so much time, but preparation is key. So for my drawings I like to do a heavy shading, I like an even coloring, and to do that I have to use multiple layers with the markers. And coloring like this takes a bit longer and you also need way more ink to color like that. That's why many of my markers left me. Especially for bigger drawings, a lot of markers lost their lives, but it's necessary for the result. So this is commission number 5 for Alicia. She is a really huge supporter, and we will also do a few more drawings for her, including Trunks and Gohan. As I said, she is a huge fan of both, so the other commissions for her will also include this duo. And if you guys are also interested in custom drawings and need more information about that, you can message me on Instagram or email so we can talk about your drawing. Alright guys, both characters are done, they really look badass, I love them, and now we will color the background. I will draw some dust around them, and then I will color the buildings and then the sky. So let's do this right now, and then we will take a look at the final result together. Let's go! Alright guys, there we have it. Gohan and Trunks, Super Saiyan 4 and commission number 5 for Alicia. It's a really nice drawing, especially the characters look amazing and also the background looks great. I'm really happy with this piece and so is Alicia, and I'm really looking forward to the next commissions for her. Prints of this drawing will not be available as commissions only belong to the client who paid for it. But in my online shop you can find prints for many other drawings of mine, and you can also purchase my original art. Make sure to check it out, the link is down below, including the links to my social media and my real-time channel. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you watched the whole video, you are the best. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this drawing, and I see you on the next